We guide you through how to fix Wi-Fi is not turning on. So the first thing you need to do is to try resetting your network settings. Open settings, scroll down and tap general management, then select reset. Choose reset network settings, review the information, and tap reset settings to confirm. This will remove saved Wi-Fi networks, Bluetooth connections, and other network preferences. But it can fix many connection problems without deleting your personal files. After the reset is complete, try to restart your Android phone and try turning Wi-Fi on again. Because if your Wi-Fi is not turning on, resetting is the best way to solve the issue.